Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the first video on this channel. On this channel, we will listen to English podcasts to improve our listening skills. We will start from level A1, and step by step we will go to A2, B1, B2 and C1. If you want to improve your English listening, this channel is for you. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss new videos. Now let's start today's podcast. Today we talk about the importance of listening in learning English. Listening is very important when we learn English. When we listen, we hear how people speak English. We hear new words, new sounds, and correct pronunciation. Listening helps our ears get used to the English language. When we listen often, English becomes more familiar to us. At first, maybe we do not understand everything, and that is normal. But when we listen again and again, we start to understand more words and more sentences. Listening helps us understand English better. When we listen to conversations, songs, podcasts, or videos, our brain learns the language little by little. Our brain remembers sounds and words. Listening also helps us speak better. When we hear English many times, we start to remember sentences. Later, we can use these sentences when we speak with other people. Another benefit of listening is learning pronunciation. We learn how native speakers say words and sentences. We learn the rhythm of English and the way people speak in real life. Listening also helps us learn new vocabulary. Every time we listen, we can hear new words. When we hear the same word many times, we start to remember it. There are many ways to practice listening. You can listen to simple podcasts for beginners. You can watch short videos in English. You can also listen to English songs and try to understand the words. You can practice listening at home, on the bus, or while walking. Listening is easy to practice because you only need your phone and headphones. Here are some simple tips. First, listen to English every day, even for 10 minutes. Small practice every day is very helpful. Second, choose easy videos for beginners. Do not start with very difficult videos. Third, repeat the sentences after the speaker. This helps you improve your pronunciation and speaking. Fourth, watch videos with English subtitles. Subtitles help you see the words and understand better. Fifth, listen to the same video or podcast many times. Every time you listen, you will understand more. Listening is the first step to speaking English well. Good listening helps good speaking. If you listen to English every day, your English will improve slowly but surely. Step by step, you will understand more and speak better. Thank you for listening. Keep learning, stay motivated, and keep listening to English every day.